In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva to PPT. If you've ever designed a presentation in Canva and then opened it in PowerPoint only to find that things look off, you're definitely not alone. It's common for layouts to shift, fonts to change, or design elements to move around during export. The good news is that you usually don't need to rebuild the whole presentation. With a few careful checks before exporting, you can make the transition much smoother and keep your slides looking polished. First, open your presentation in Canva and take a moment to review the layout. Go to your recent projects, open the presentation you want to export, and move through the slides one by one. Pay close attention to any elements that overlap, such as icons, shapes, images, or text placed close together. If certain items belong together visually, select them and use the group option. This helps preserve their positioning and reduces the chance that objects will shift when the file is opened in PowerPoint. Next, look at the fonts you're using. One of the biggest reasons a Canva presentation breaks in PowerPoint is font mismatch. If Canva uses a font that isn't installed or supported properly in PowerPoint, the software may replace it automatically. That can change spacing, line breaks, and overall alignment. To avoid that, click into your text boxes and replace highly specialized fonts with safer, more widely supported options such as Arial, Montserrat, Helvetica, or Open Sans. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in keeping your presentation consistent across both platforms. Once your slides look clean and your text is updated, go to the top right corner of Canva and click Share. From there, scroll down and choose More. This is important because you want the proper export option, not just a basic image or PDF download. Using the correct export path gives you a better chance of preserving editability in PowerPoint. In the expanded menu, find the Microsoft PowerPoint option. Select it, then check that all the pages you want are included. If you're exporting the entire presentation, make sure all pages are selected. After that, click Download and let Canva generate the PPTX file. When the download is finished, open the file in Microsoft PowerPoint and review each slide carefully. Check that the text is aligned properly, the titles look clean, and the grouped elements stayed in place. If something needs a small adjustment, you can quickly fix it using PowerPoint's built-in editing tools. With these steps, you can avoid most formatting issues and move your Canva presentation into PowerPoint with much better results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.